This is the Brother MFC J491DW printer. So once we switch it on, now we go and do some initial setup. So we can change the ear. So once we key in the date and time, then we get a screen. It says install starter ink. Now we have to install the ink in this printer. It has to be placed like this and it will go in. Now we need to check the color and we can insert that. So this is the black, so that will go here. So just slide it in and push it inside. So it's very easy to install ink in Brother printers. As you can see, it's just you have to open the front chamber and it straight go in, so there is no hassle in that. And now we close the chamber and we go to the main screen. So we can see once we have installed the ink, it automatically started to prepare the system, and it says it will take around 7 minutes. So it's just downloading, so just wait for the initial setup. Okay, so once the printer is ready, so we will see this screen. It says load paper and press start buttons. Now I'll show you how to open the tray to load the paper. And so just press this button as shown on the screen. So that's the button we need to press here. So just make sure all the colors are visible and they are in clear and they are printed good. So I can see all the colors and the printout is good. So again, if it's yes, then press this button and choose the image closest result to your print. So once you select yes, then you will see it's already done. So you can see on the screen it says the date, time and the amount of ink left in the cartridge, and there is a fax icon and there is a Wi-Fi icon on the top. Now I'm going to do a quick copy, so I'll show you if it is set or not. So I'm going to place this test page 1 here. So now we press this copy button here. So we can see it has a two-sided option as well. So just press OK. Now you will see on the screen it will say place the next page, so that we can do here. So any next page, and now I press continue. Now we have finished it, so it must be printing. So press this button and wait for the printer to work. So you can see all the print, it has printed on the both sides of the page, so it can do two-side printed as well. And thanks for watching.